keep their feet firmly on the ground while I take Mr. Longbottom to the hospital wing. Understand? If I see a single broom in the air, the one riding it will find themselves out of Hogwarts before they can say Quidditch.
Did you see his face? Maybe if the fat lamb had given this a quest, he have remembered to phone in his fat air. Give it here, my boy. No, I think I'll leave it somewhere for Longbottom to fight. How about on the roof? What the matter, Potter? Bit beyond your reach. Harry, no way! You heard what Madame who said. Besides, you don't ever know how to fly. What an idiot! Give it here, my boy, or I will knock you off your broom. Is that so? Have it your way then.